Welcome to Block 7, where unique and innovative home designs become real sources of inspiration. Today, we're taking you on a tour of the A45, a tiny house designed by the renowned architecture studio Bjarke Ingels Group, also known as BIG. Located in Shandaken, New York, this home measures just 17 square meters, or about 180 square feet, yet it boasts an impressive visual and functional appeal. A45 is the first prototype designed by BIG for Klein. It's a modern take on the classic A-frame cabin, known for its steeply pitched roof and angled walls that help shed rainwater and simplify construction. But BIG adds a unique twist. The roof is rotated 45 degrees from its square base, creating a crystal-like shape that reaches nearly 13 feet in height. The result? A tiny house with a dynamic, ever-changing appearance depending on your viewpoint, while remaining efficient and cozy. Stepping inside A45, you are greeted with a warm, minimalist Nordic atmosphere. The 180 square foot interior is designed around the Danish concept of hygge, a cozy, comfortable way of living. The structure features an exposed solid pine frame, Douglas fir flooring, and natural cork walls that can be customized. These materials not only bring a natural feel but also provide excellent insulation. In one corner of the house, a small Morso fireplace becomes a warm focal point. At the rear, cleverly hidden off-the-grid systems allow the house to function independently, even in remote locations. A compact kitchen by Copenhagen's Mobilsnedkeri is paired with handcrafted furniture from Carl Hansen & Son, and a quadrat-upholstered bed designed by Soren Rose Studio, all reflecting the clean, functional, and elegant Nordic design aesthetic. The bathroom is equally impressive. Wrapped entirely in cedar wood and fitted with fixtures from Vola, it offers the feel of a private spa nestled in nature. Meanwhile, a large triangular window made of 7 glass panels floods the space with natural light and creates a strong visual connection to the outdoors. One of the most fascinating aspects of A45 is its construction system. The house is made from modular components that can be flat-packed, shipped, and assembled directly on site. It doesn't require a large foundation, just 4 small concrete piers, meaning it can be installed on various terrains without heavy machinery. Even better, the entire structure is made from 100% recyclable materials, making A45 not only beautiful but also environmentally responsible. A45 proves that limited space is no barrier to creating a home that's functional, beautiful, and full of character. It's a compact architectural solution that can serve as a vacation retreat, a studio, or even a primary residence in off-grid locations. Thanks for watching this home tour here on Block 7. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more unique home inspiration. See you in the next video.